Hi everyone, today's tutorial how to update the drivers of Lenovo laptop or desktop. It's very easy. We'll use the web services that Lenovo is providing. So with me, just let's start it. Open the page. I'll provide the description. In the description, when you open the page, you have to submit your model number. If you didn't know your model number, then you will click on detect model. It will scan the search. Now wait, and this pop-up came up and it says that a bridge is required, so download the bridge. And install it. After the bridge, refresh the page and it will detect your system. Now you'll click on scan drivers and then just wait. It will depend on the speeds of your internet and your device, so wait till it make it done. When it's done, you just have to restart your PC, or if you didn't want to reboot, you go. The drivers are installed. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comments. Thanks for watching Celltronix.